partner mo sa balita at serbisyo.
Alright, nagbabalik po ang palatuntunan Sunshine Radio, DZAR Sports Hour, kasama yung team captain Benji Santiago. Teammates, 18 minutes after 1 o'clock at kagaya ng aking naipangako, meron tayong bisita rito and we also would like to find out more about Special Olympics Philippines. And we have ang Chief Executive Officer ng Special Olympic Philippines with us, Miss Kay Samson, right here inside the booth. Miss Kay Samson, magandang hapon.
Magandang hapon po.
Yan, mas. And eto nga, Special Olympics Philippines. Kasi, a few months ago, nagkaroon tayo nung ating Olympics mismo na ginanap sa London. And then right after that, nagkaroon naman ng Paralympics. Ano naman ang Special Olympics?
Okay. Special Olympics naman is more focused on intellectual disabilities, mainly athletes with IQ below 70. So more on intellectual. Meaning,
Intellectual.
Yes, kasi Paralympics focuses more on the
handicaps,
physically
disability.
handicapped. Although they have also a portion, a group for intellectual disabilities.
Pero more on physical yun,
Yes.
And this one, ito yung intellectual naman. So, basically, if we're going to be talking Special Olympics Philippines, kasi nga, since this is sports, this is Olympics we're talking about, there are competitions that are being held.
Yes. Actually, I think we have more than the other.
Okay, sige.
The other,
I will let you explain muna what is Special Olympics Philippines, ano yung mga activities niyan, and all the important details.
Okay. Special Olympics Philippines is a worldwide organization. It started in the United States way back in the 1960s. In the Philippines, it was started in the 1970s. Right now, we have 15 chapters all over the country. We have in different regions. We have about 10,000 athletes right now. And our competitions are year-round. So, parang this November, we have the ASEAN Football 5+1. It will be attended by Indonesia and Malaysia. And then we have 4 teams from the Philippines will be competing. So, ito yung first international competition natin hosted by the Philippines. So, and then next year, we also have games in Australia. Marami. And locally, we also have all year round. We have the regional games. We have the national games every 2 years. And then in between, we also have mini competitions. So, we really make it a point that we have competitions every year because this is where they showcase their talents. Kasi a lot of people think that pag sinabi mong special, ay wala namang kaya niyan, diba? Wala naman. But with Special Olympics, we do this advocacy for, parang we show the world, we show people that when you say special meaning special, may special talent sila.
Okay.
So not many people think that they can play football like any regular athlete. So in fact, on November, we will have what we call the Unified Games, where our Special Olympics athletes will also play with some of our national teams players. So mapapakita namin na they can also play like any other person.
Saan gagawin itong this coming November?
This will be on November 17, 18, and 19 at the ASCOM football field sa Taguig po yan sa hosted sa Armed Forces of the Philippines. So it's for free. You can all watch, whoever wants to watch and join, even volunteer. Please contact us at Special Olympics Philippines. I'll give that the number.
Yes, okay lang.
Our phone number is 926-6946, 926-6947. It's Special Olympics Philippines. And you can also log on to specialolympics.org So hanapin nyo na lang yung country ng Philippines.
Ito mangyayari ito sa November. Now, meaning, yung mga magko-compete dito, if we're talking about like they could also be, meeting and competing against, how do we call this, special athletes from other countries, ano? So that means they go through training.
Yes.
Yeah, talk to me about that.
What's very different about Special Olympics is that we train not only when there is competition. Kasi, yung kasanayan natin na pag may competition lang doon nagtitrain. But with Special Olympics, it's all year round. We have practices weekly,
Okay.
once, twice, 3 times. Minsan, pag malapit na yung competition, every day. So, in all 15 parts of 15 chapters, we have every week. So usually every Saturday because most of them have school and all our coaches are volunteers. So marami sa kanila has work.
Yes.
But meron din sa gabi nagpa-practice, meron din sa madaling araw nagpa-practice. So if any one of you would like to join us, may athletes kayong gustong ipasali, or you can volunteer as a coach, please let us know.
Ano yung mga sports?
Okay. We have aquatics, athletics, basketball, bocce or boscia, as popularly known, bowling, badminton, football, powerlifting, table tennis, gymnastics, and volleyball.
Marami rin pala.
Marami.
Ano?
We have 11 sports practiced here in the Philippines. But yung sa mga World Games namin, there are more than 40 Olympic type sports.
Wow. Dito muna sa Philippines, so how many athletes do we have?
We have currently we have like 10,000 members, but the ones competing
All over the country na yan.
all over the country. Pero marami pa yan sana. So join. But whenever we have the national games, which is every 2 years, we have like a total of 900 to 1,000 athletes competing.
Wow.
Diba?
Ganun pala karami yun, ano? I mean, yun nga, sabi ko nga kanina kasi ang pumasok lang sa isip ko nung pagkatapos nung Olympics natin, ano, yung normal na Olympics that's being held every 4 years. And then, usually after that, the Paralympics. Tapos ito nga, then the Special Olympics, ano, ang nakita ko naman dito. And I'm at all amazed na, yun nga, marami pala tayong athletes, marami palang mga activities.
Yes.
And yung training na ginagawa ninyo sa mga athletes ninyo, hindi lang during the competition, mas maganda pa nga yung ginagawa nyo kaysa sa Philippine Olympic Committee.
Yeah.
Sila nag-iensayo lang pagka malapit na yung competition. Hindi, mag-i-election na yan eh, yung Philippine Olympic Committee. Kaya ba may nakukuha ba kayong support from yun nga, mga government agencies? Meron ba?
Pwede maging honest.
Yeah, it's okay. That's what we're here to find out. Kaya nga sabi ko, eto pa, di ba? Nagrereklamo yung mga yung mga athletes talaga natin, yung
Yes.
pang-Olympics, na hindi ganun ka tindi yung suporta na nakukuha nila sa kanilang mga NSAs, sa mga government agencies, yung Special Olympics, binibigyan ba ng pansin?
Kilala ba nila kami? Hindi. No.
Yun ang sinasabi ko eh. Oo, di ba?
Kung ang ating mga
Olympians
Philippine
natin.
team
You can be honest. Oo.
kami, di naman kami nagrereklamo,
Is there
pero
any-
nag-aantay kami.
Is there any at all, even a politician, a government agency na tumutulong sa inyo?
From hirap sagutin, di ba?
It's okay, it's okay.
I mean,
Malapit na eleksyon.
Oo. Napakakonti po. Nakakalungkot kasi napakakonti po.
But who do you have right now who's actually, extending a hand, medyo may contact talaga sa inyo and extending his services and everything?
The one who's very supportive of us is Mayor Herbert Bautista of Quezon City.
Okay.
Very supportive namin. Every year, meron siyang Batang Special Olympics Quezon City. So,
Yan ba yung ginagawa sa Amoranto?
yes.
Yeah,
So,
oo.
most of our Special Olympics athletes.
Nagkaroon
from-
kasi ako eh. Nakikita ko lagi yun eh.
So, we also joined them in that event. And minsan, he provides yung venue, Amoranto, for Special Olympics.
Okay.
Pinapagamit nila for free. And
When you hold it, ilang araw ba yan usually?
for the big events like yung national games,
Oo.
every 2 years, it's usually 3 to 4 days.
Okay.
So, all over the Philippines, you have to house them, you have to
Yes.
feed them.
Wow.
So, it's a real big budget. In fact, sige
Tapos
hello,
si Mayor
politicians.
Bistic lang tumutulong sa inyo.
Hindi naman. From time to time, kunyari, the last national games that we had was in, saan to? Pangasinan.
Oh.
Yan. They helped us also.
Ganun.
Oo. Pero, we were supposed to have it this year again, but wala kaming masyadong funds. So, kung
Okay.
sinong town or city dyan gusto mag-host ng ating Special Olympics National Games, please.
It could be happening dapat sa mga like sa Cebu.
Yes,
Di ba?
exactly.
O even sa Baguio na nga lang di ba? O maybe even Tagaytay, di ba? O kayo, yung mga opisyales dyan. Ayan.
Oo.
Puro lang kayo forma.
Yes, please. Parang awa nyo na.
Ito, Special Olympics, mga athletes natin dito. Mga Pilipino rin po ito. Anyway, ano naman natin. Ano? So, si Mayor Bistek has been helping you out and he has been consistent. Pero sabi nga natin, basically, ano pa ang mga kulang ba ng Special Olympics Philippines? Yung mga pangangailangan pa natin na sana madagdagan.
Okay, number 1 is we need coaches. We need coaches who will be consistent.
Coaches who will be consistent.
Yes, because this is all voluntary. Special Olympics is based on voluntarism. So hindi kami nagsisweldo.
Okay.
All the officers of Special Olympics don't receive anything. In fact, we're all the ones giving, even the coaches.
If I may just ask you, Kay, what do you do exactly to provide for yourself naman, diba? For your needs?
Yeah.
You are the CEO of Special Olympic Philippines and then you're telling me, like, muna, wala kaming sweldo rito, volunteerism lang to. Pero what else do you do?
I'm a special education teacher.
Okay.
That's why
Alright.
it's very connected with what I do. So
Ayan.
parang isang go na lang. Okay.
Okay.
So even my students,
And how long have you been involved with Special Olympics?
almost 9 years.
9 years na. Okay. And, ayun. So,
What would you need?
Yun.
We need coaches.
Yun, ano yung mga
Because
kailangan?
Sabihin ko lang,
Coaches.
we've had experiences na
sabi mo na coaches in what particular sport do you,
lahat. Yung sinabi ko, yung, again, aquatics, athletics, basketball, bocce, bowling.
Pero right now,
badminton.
we have coaches naman.
We have coaches, but most of our coaches are parents also and teachers.
Okay.
Nakakatuwa because kaya naman eh. So,
Oo.
doon kami malakas. Doon kami, even in the international, Special Olympics International, they really admire Special Olympics Philippines for, for having coaches na parents, mga kapatid, mga teachers. Kasi, we've had experiences that we ask, professional coaches or
Okay.
even just yung mga teachers ganyan, and they will ask, magkano ba? And then when you say it's volunteer, okay, next time na lang, wala kaming time. So, 'di ba, nakakalungkot na syempre kulang pa sa atin
Syempre.
yung pagbibigay ng ating service without asking anything in return. So, yun. So, we need coaches. We need volunteers. We need the training venues. Kasi, hindi lahat pag we approach them and then, sige, for free na
Available
yan.
or for free na.
That's
as
the
usual.
reason why we ask it for free. Kasi we don't, Special Olympics, we cannot and we
Kasi
don't.
wala nag-sponsor.
Oo, we
Yun ang
don't,
problema.
hindi kami humihingi ng bayad sa mga athletes.
Oo.
We train you, you pay us, hindi po. So, it's all for free. Everything is free. If you join us, competitions, it's all for free.
But what you really need is somebody na para halimbawa, pwede kayong pumunta doon sa venue na yan.
Yes.
Pwede na rin kayo magbayad ng coaches dahil sagot na nitong mga, halimbawa, kung hindi man mga government offices or government agencies, siguro even yung mga private organizations na rin dyan, di ba? Baka umaapaw na yung suporta na binibigay ninyo dun sa mga atleta natin na wala naman na iuwing ginto rito ting matatapos ang Olympics, ha? At pinahaba lang ninyo yung mga programa na yan na hindi ko malaman kung may yung mga atleta na kinukuha pa nga ninyo, hindi namin alam kung Pilipino yan, all of a sudden, biglang nandito na lang yung mga yan at sinasabi meron silang roots na Pilipino at binabayaran pa natin yung mga yan, baka naman pwede naman, ano? Tulungan na rin natin itong Special Olympics Philippines. Eto, siguro naman, bihira ang mga PhilAm dito.
Oo, purong Pilipino po yan.
Diba? Ayun ang sinasabi natin, di ba? May pera naman sila. Kaso nga, di ba, parang nag-aaksaya lang tayo. Prepare natin sila, magagastosan natin sila. Ang yabang-yabang, nakapag-uwi ng gold sa isang tournament, sa susunod na tournament, wala ng posisyon, pwesto, ganun. Sa tunay na laban, hindi na makaporma. Ayun ang sinasabi natin, di ba? Mahilig lang tayo dun sa mga ano. Pero punong-puno sila ng ng suporta, ha? Hindi lang po yan, isang sport ang sinasabihan ko diyan. Marami pang mga ibang sport dito sa ating bansa na ang nangyayari rito is they have been getting the funding, they have been getting the financial support from government and private organizations, even ang problema, nagkakaroon pa sila ng politika doon sa kanilang sports na yon. Yun ang dinadahilan natin, kaya daw tayo hindi nagkakaroon ng magandang showing and performance abroad. So kung hindi tayo obra doon, di ba? Bigyan naman natin ng puwang, di ba? Yung mga ganito naman. Baka sakasakali naman, eto ang hinihingi nga lang nito. O yung mga coaches, volunteer lang. Bigyan nyo naman ng oras. Diba? At saka yung siguro yung mga training venues natin, baka pwede namang maihingi na lang ng konting pambayad yan sa isang private organization, diba? Na yun lang naman yan, magkano lang naman yan kung dyan sila magte-training, diba? Hindi naman nila kinuha na, tinirahan na yung training venue.
Oo. And even the sports equipment.
Yan, yung mga sports equipment lalo na yan, diba?
Bola lang.
Yung mga iba nga dyan, di ba? Hindi na nga naglalaro, sinusuportahan nyo pa, binibigyan nyo pa rin ng ng mga uniforme, sapatos, damit, pantalon. Hindi na naglalaro yun, nakikita ko, pero parang lumalabas nga, endorser siya, di ba? So, he's getting yung ganon. Ito naman, yung mga ating mga athletes naman talaga, o sabi nga natin, ito, Special Olympics athletes naman natin, kailangan din po nila nun dahil sila mismo naglalaro sila di ba?
At sila yung nagbibigay ng medal
And they are competing. Okay, may tanong ko lang kung ganun ang problema nitong ating Special Olympics Philippines, ito rin ba ay nagiging problema rin nung Special Olympics naman that started in the US?
Of course.
Are they also going through something like this?
Oo, especially now na recession. So, struggle din sila with funding because of course they have to fund the whole world.
Okay.
That's why when we are now given parang independence, kayo sa Philippines, bahala kayo mag-funding. But from time to time, they give us grants. But with the 180 countries that they support, they cannot support all.
Kaya nga Saan ba ang talaga nito?
Headquarters.
Headquarters
in Washington, D.C.
In Washington, D.C. Naku, magulo sila ngayon doon mag-election doon
So, yun. So, hindi kami dapat umasa sa kanila because, of course, kaya natin tumayo. Lahat ng countries, they're expected to stand on their own.
Now, puntahan natin yung mas mga malalakas na bansa, mas maganda yung mga economy. Like for instance, siguro yung mga ibang kapitbahay natin, Southeast Asia, like Singapore. They also have special athletes there.
Yes,
probably. So how are they supporting? Fully supported by the government?
Yes, a lot of them. You know, during World Games, every 4 years din yan, it's always the year before the regular Olympics.
Okay.
When we go there, ang Team Philippines, nagkakanarapan na to raise funds for the tickets. Kasi, ni-discount, walang binibigay yung airlines. So, parang, even if we can send like 100 athletes, we can only send what?
Mga senador, ano nyo yan, trabaho nyo yan. Kahit man lang yung tax, yung travel tax, medyo tanggalin na lang natin para doon sa mga tickets nitong ating mga special athletes every time they travel. pwede niyong gawin yon. Alam ko, pwede ninyong gawin yan.
Pwede.
Alam din ng Mrs. Ken, may travel agency kami. Pwede nilang gawa ng paraan. Yung travel tax kasi medyo mahal na rin yan di ba? I mean, malaking bagay na kung yan ay maibabawas dito sa mga pamasahe. At saka, calling Philippine Airlines.
Okay.
Di ba? Philippine Airlines, which is right now under San Miguel Corporation. And eto naman siguro for Philippine Airlines, ang masasabi ko lang kasi bago pa lang naman sila na na-acquire ng San Miguel. So marami pa silang adjustments na ginagawa dyan. Hopefully, we might be able to talk to people from San Miguel to help you out pagka meron kayong mga competition na you have to travel abroad.
Australia po, 2013.
Australia, 2013. O yan, next year. Anong buwan yan? Anong buwan ba yan?
That's end of November to early December.
2013 pa, so mahaba pa. Halos isang taong pang preparasyon yan,
Last week, I was just emailed the quota of kailangan ng Team Philippines mag-send ng ganito. 99 po.
What do you mean?
99 people.
99 people to Australia. Where in Australia?
Newcastle, Australia. So,
Newcastle,
via
Australia.
Sydney.
Ayun, okay. So syempre, alam naman pagdating nyo dun, pamasahe lang ang dala ninyo. Paano naman kayong kakain?
No, everything is, that's what's great about Special Olympics. Everything is provided for once you land on their country. In their country, yes. So usually, ang problema lang namin is uniforms, equipment, yung training, and the air
kaso
tickets.
ang problema niyan, kung minsan, like for instance, tayo, syempre, dinaranas rin naman ng mga ibang athletes yan from different countries. Kasi yung pagkain oo nga, sila nga host, pero yung luto ba ng pagkain nila na yun, makakain ba ng ating mga Filipino athletes?
Mga Pilipino hindi pumipili.
Di ba? Biro mo na pipili. Ganun na lang,
Hindi
di ba?
tayo reklamador. But yun. So yun ang
Pero kasi kailangan mo yan di ba? Meron ba tayong mga nutritionist dito sa Special Olympic athletes natin na ito? Meron bang nangangalagang nutritionist sa kanila para magko-compete ka? Siyempre, kailangan tama yung nutrition mo para tama yung lakas mo, tama yung conditioning mo and everything. Meron bang volunteer na nutritionist ang Special Olympics Philippines?
Wala po.
Nako.
Kami lang po mga coaches.
Wala po.
Mga teachers. So, a lot of them.
Base lahat sa internet na lang ang research natin dito. Ano ba dapat pakain natin sa mga athletes natin? Ganun na lang yun. Pati ba naman yan? Maraming kulang Anyways, pero pinupunuan nga natin. Now, siguro ang tanong ko pa na isa is para sa lahat ng mga volunteers, para sa iyo Miss Kay, at sa lahat ng tumutulong sa iyo, yung ating sense of accomplishment, saan dumarating yan? Teka muna, meron na ba tayo marami ba tayo medals na napanalunan?
Of course. Hindi na po natin mabilang.
Ganun ba?
Just recently.
Sa ranking ba? Pangilan ba tayo?
Hindi na, sa Special Olympics, hindi nagra-rank.
Hindi nagra-rank.
Because they want to, ayaw nila yung mayroon bias na, number 1 ng ganito.
Okay. So
equality is what they want. So, wala kaming tally. Of course, secretly may tally. But, we don't
Pero marami naman tayo napapanalunan.
Of course, just recently in the Athens Olympics, that was 2011, we sent about 46 athletes. We came home with, 50 plus medals. So, mas marami pa yung medals kaysa sa athletes.
Kaya nga,
So,
yung dito sa Olympics, mas marami pa yung mga, yung mga
alalay
kaysa doon sa athletes, Tapos walang nauwing medalya.
Apo.
Yan.
So, every time, it's like that. Laging ganyan. Laging mas, kundi pantay, mas maraming medals ang nauuwi ng ating Special Olympics athletes. So, pagdating dito, media, yun din, nakakalungkot. Parang, hindi nila masyado nako-cover porque special athletes yan. Parang, they don't think it's important. So, minsan, kwento ko lang, minsan, may athlete, galing kami that was in China ata.
Okay.
Pagbaba namin, sabi nung athlete, dangling na yung mga medals nila. They were expecting na may media, syempre, di ba? Nakikita nila sa TV, bakit yung ibang athletes? Tapos paglabas, Coach, saan na yung media? Sabi ko, wala, tulog pa. So, yung ganon. Because
Okay.
they know. Hindi porke special yan, hindi nila naiintindihan. Hindi porke special yan, hindi sila nakakaisip ng mga, kung ano yung rights nila, kung ano yung dapat sa kanila.
Kaya nga eh.
Alam nila yan. Kausapin nyo sila, alam nila yan. So, yun ang, we're also trying to change the perspective
I
of
would like
people.
to, anong nire-represent nilang sports? I mean, we have, can
We have
we
Dwight.
let them sit down here?
Yeah,
They can talk, ano? Paupuin
Dwight.
natin para
Dwight.
makausap natin sila rito, no? Ito po ilan sa mga ating mga
Tanggalin mo yung
athletes
bago. Tanggalin mo yung bago.
ng Special Olympics. And we can talk to them para malaman natin at para makilala na rin ng mga media. You could
Yeah, this is Dwight on your right. Dwight is now our football player in Special Olympics
football
Philippines.
player si Dwight. And gaano katagal ka na naglalaro ng football, Dwight? Paano ba na-on ito? Para marinig naman siya, no? Naka-on na siya? Okay. Lapit ka ng konti, Dwight. Yan. Gaano katagal ka na naglalaro ng football?
Matagal na po. Matagal na po siya.
Sino ba idol mo sa football? Sigurado may
si-
na-idol ka naman eh, no?
Si James Husband.
Wow, yung young husbands.
Apo.
Oo. Sa abroad, wala ka ba?
Wala pa po.
Wala ka pang ano?
Wala pa.
So ito si James young husband. Si Phil, ayaw mo?
Pwede rin po.
Pwede.
Pwede
Ayaw
rin.
mo, ayaw mo rin.
Ang position ko doon po sa
Ano ang position mo?
football. Sa football is forward po.
Forward. Araw-araw ka ba nagtitraining?
Apo. Tuwing Sabado po.
Tuwing Sabado.
Tsaka, tuwing Monday and Wednesday at tsaka Friday po.
Ano yung mga ano yung mga ginagawa mo pagka nagtitraining ka ng football?
Football po, nagja-jogging po.
Jogging.
Aba.
Mahirap yun, takbo ng takbo yung bawang laro eh, di ba?
Aba.
Ang haba pa ng oras. Madalas ka naman nakaka-score.
Apo.
Ha? Dapat. Oo. Sino ba captain ball ninyo? Ikaw ba captain ball?
Apo, ako na po.
Alright. Kita mo nga naman yun, ano? Si Dwight. And on my left, anong pangalan mo?
Robin Andrew Conanan.
Yan! Robin Andrew Conanan. Kita nyo naman, wala pang competition dito. Ready to fight na to, ha? Robin Andrew Conanan. Robin, ano naman ang sports mo?
Boche.
Ano yung boche?
Slow bowling.
Ayun.
Sumagot na. Kita mo, slow bowling, ha? Slow bowling. Slow bowling, bakit? Meron ba, ano ba? Ako nga, hindi ko naintindihan eh. So, anong pagkakaiba ng slow bowling dun sa normal bowling?
Mamahina palalakas yan.
Okay. Mas malapit ba yung distance? Hindi.
Oo, papalinas siya ng
Aha.
ball. Orange ball.
Okay. Magaling ka doon.
Opo.
Anong usual score mo ron?
Panalo
Medal.
niya.
Nakaka-medal ka.
Sa Quezon City Games.
Okay.
Sports Fest. Kanina yan. Awards na siya.
Okay.
Anong award mo, Robin?
Anong award mo, Robin?
1 gold medal for single and 1 silver medal para sa double.
Wow! Kita mo nga naman yan. Ito mga athletes natin, ito may mga medals to. Proud na proud sila na may medals. Pero sabi nga natin, yung ating namang mga hindi malaman kung saan sila susuporta. Sinusuportahan nila yung hindi magkaroon ng medals. Yung mga may medals, nakakalimutan natin. Okay, anong tawag dito? Robin, anong yung laban mo huling-huli na nagka-medal ka, yung kalaban mo Filipino rin? Or abroad?
Pilipino yan.
Pilipino rin.
Local yan.
Local. Nakalaban ka na ba abroad?
Hindi.
Hindi pa.
Opo.
Opo.
Sumali na yan.
Sumali ka
Next
na,
month.
Robin.
Sa next.
Robin, di ba nung punta ka na ng Brunei?
Opo.
Naglaro ka sa Brunei. Champion ka rin doon?
Hindi. Awang gold yan.
Naka 1 gold ka din doon.
One goal para sa single and double, 1 gold medals, 2 goals na siya. Si Paul, double siya. At 1 bronze medal ng team.
May teammate siya kasi.
May teammate siya.
But he also won a single event medal.
Ayun. So, ikaw naman, kwento mo naman sa akin, paano ang practice ng slow bowling?
Slow bowling every
Paano?
Saturday
Aha.
morning sa Amoranto Stadium Oval.
Okay.
Si Coach Orly, si Tita Nancy,
Okay.
lahat guest na siya, Team Valenzuela.
Every Saturday yun? Every Saturday?
Saturday, Boche, sa Amoranto
What time?
Stadium.
What time?
8 o'clock, 7 o'clock until 11
Oh,
o'clock.
ang tagal,
Wow,
diba?
ang haba!
Ano yan, ha?
Tagal, ano?
8 o'clock to 12 noon.
Ano yan? Sa grass. So, outdoors.
Outdoor, grass.
Ayun. Minsan masilip nga kita doon dahil yung bahay ko katabi lang nun ng Amoranto eh. Pagka bumaba ako doon sa may mezzanine, kita ko na yung nangyayari sa buong Amoranto.
Amoranto.
Oh, yun. Anyway, so yan, Robin. Si Dwight naman, ilang medals na nakuha ng Team Philippines sa football?
Sa football po, madami na po.
Ano?
Nakapunta na po ako ng Minnesota po.
Nakapunta ka na ng Minnesota. Kita mo nga naman. Ako hindi pa. Buti ka pa. Kita mo naman. Anong yung naglaro kayo ng football din sa Minnesota?
Gold po.
Nag-gold. Kita mo nga
Aside
naman
po
yan.
yun.
Kailan nangyari yan?
1991 po.
1991. Medyo matagal-tagal na. Ilan taon ka na ba, Dwight?
37.
Si Robin?
18.
18. Kita nyo nga naman, So, marami pa tayong mga Special Olympics athletes na most probably they're listening right now. Dahil alam, pupunta kayo dito. Of
May
course.
fan club kami.
Ayan, syempre, Pero, napag-usapan na natin yung problema, napag-usapan din natin, yun nga, once again, most probably, Miss Kay, you could have people, meron ba tayong Facebook?
Meron po, Special Olympics Philippines.
Yan,
Pakihanap
okay,
na
ha?
lang po.
Kailangan yan di ba? Kuminsan mas matindi pa sa telepono yung Facebook di ba? Kung gusto nating, yung mga iba hindi nagbabasa ng dyaryo pero lagi nasa Facebook Kaya kailangan, they have to be aware of that, And once again, most probably you could tell them to get in touch with you through your contact numbers, anything na sa tingin ninyo makakatulong kayo dito sa ating Special Olympics Philippines.
Yes, please contact us. Our office number is 926-6946, 926-6947. And we also have a website. It's specialolympics.org and sophilippines.org. Tapos, we also have Facebook, Special Olympics Philippines, and we also have Twitter. It's SOPhils. Yan.
Ayan. Dwight, meron ka bang gustong batiin? Bati ka. Sige, batiin mo yung mga teammates mo.
Baka mga girlfriends.
Sila Marlon, buddy ko po, tsaka sila Dodo, tsaka sila Neil. Nandito ako sa stadium. Tsaka yung mga volunteers. Si Regine at si Jessa po.
Sinong girlfriend mo doon?
Si
Regine po. Si Regine, Regine, ikaw pala yung boyfriend mo nandito, binati ka na, ha? Okay, ha? Alam ba niya na girlfriend mo siya?
Hindi po. Volunteer lang po.
Okay.
Volunteer boyfriend po.
Ayan ang mga diskarte, ha? Yan ang mga diskarte. Kita niyo naman, Pagka hindi siya naging boyfriend, volunteer lang ako, Okay, di ba? Ikaw naman, Robin, gusto mong bumate. Sige.
Opo. Sa militario, taga Gente Dedio National High School SPED, si Teacher Luisa, si John Carville, si Bernadette, si Nori, si Romel, si Carlito, si Carmela, taga Conanan family, si Ate Bain, si Ate Watt, si Tito Joseph, si Kuya Henry, si Claire, Amparo, si May, si
Dami.
Sige lang, may 10 minutes pa tayo. Okay lang.
para sa taga Sitero, si Teacher Joanne, Kate, and Sir Alvin, si Arlene, at si Teacher Eva sa Genti, para veterans, taga BMMC.
Ayan. Okay na?
Okay na.
Meron pa?
Okay na.
Meron pa? Sige.
Wait.
Wait.
Si taga
We will.
boyfriend,
Okay.
si Kailanin, hello mga fans mo, taga miyembro ng Sex Bomb Dancers at ng
Look,
kay
may
Barbie.
sex bomb dancers pa.
Ay, si Barbie. Boyfriend.
May boyfriend ka ni Barbie.
Yeah.
Okay, ha? Gaano
Yeah.
katagal na kayo ni Barbie?
The boyfriend ni Choice G.
Boyfriend ng iba yon.
Salamat. Pilati tayo. Thank you. Facebook, not Twitter.
Yan.
Facebook daw siya, ayaw niya ng Twitter.
Ayaw mo ng Twitter.
Yes.
Facebook ka lang.
Salamat po.
Ayan.
Magsusuporta.
Ayan.
Ayan. Very good. Wow. Kita nyo nga naman, ano? Ito, sabi nga natin, todo bigay. Todo bigay itong mga ito. And kailangan nila ng todo bigay na suporta rin para doon sa mga pwede naman tumulong. Sabi nga natin, kung tumutulong kayo doon sa hindi nakakapag-deliver ng medals, eto po, may mga medals na sila eh. Oo eh. Wala pa yung suporta ninyo. Paano pa kung nandyan na yung suporta ninyo? At gaano karami pa ang pwedeng maitulong sa kanila. Hindi lang sa paglalaro ng sports. Now, most probably with the way they would live their lives and the way, kasi very, very important din most probably dahil if they're competing abroad, they're meeting different nationalities, di ba?
Yes,
Different kinds of
yeah.
people, different culture. Nag-expose din sila to different culture.
Tsaka yung rooms nila, bawal ang parents, bawal ang coaches.
O biro mo,
So,
kanya-kanya sila ron, di ba?
So we train them also to be independent.
Independent.
Oo.
So, basically, this would also require an organization like this to have, child psychologists, mga ganun ba? Something? Or ano, di
Child
ba?
psychologists, ped teachers.
Uh-huh.
Kasi, when we train them, medyo, of course, iba-ibang level.
Mhm.
So, medyo patience.
Exactly.
Patience
Oo.
yan. Kailangan pasensya. So, hindi ka nagagalit. Bawal magalit sa Special Olympics.
Ah.
Lagi kami nakasmile, yan. Kaya nga yung mga coaches na mainit ang ulo, meron akong friends na pag sa regular nagko-coach, init ng ulo, pero pag sa Special Olympics, all smiles.
Ganun.
Therapy daw yan. It's therapy for us.
Oo naman. Oo. Para minsan ka lang makapag-coach nang hindi naman umiinit yung ulo mo. Di ba? That's very, very important. Anyway, kung meron pang iba na gusto mong i-share pa na information, Miss Kay, go ahead.
Okay, we have, yun nga, aside from the training that Robin said, every Saturday, every morning, they're there from 7 to 12 at Amoranto. They also have swimming in the afternoon. Sana po ba? Amoranto rin, at 4 p.m.
Maganda
We have
daw.
swimming.
Olympic size yung pool doon eh. Malaki yan.
And then football, we have in Marikina Sports every Saturday. Pero I'm just talking about one chapter.
Okay.
This is Quezon, sorry, this is just the north kasi sila mga north to eh.
Oo.
So we also have bowling every Saturday at 1:30 at SM North.
Okay.
So baka yung SM gustong na lang, libre yun,
Oh, why not? Diba?
Sinigbabayad po sila.
Oo.
No. In the south, we also have bowling every Saturday afternoon. Sorry, I'm not familiar kung saan sila ngayon nagtitrain. And football at LC Gatches Village in Alabang. So, tas sa iba-ibang provinces, marami rin yan. So, please just contact us so we can give you the complete list wherever you are, whatever province you're in. Do send us an email or, call us para mabigay namin sa inyo kung saan kayo dapat pumunta.
Okay. Yung mga athletes din, kung meron silang mga athletes dyan, pwede, no?
Yes, mga schools, special schools.
Oo.
Yung mga pwedeng sumali. Just to remind people, this is open to all abilities.
Okay.
Even if hindi marunong, even if wala pang alam, okay lang. Kasi matyaga kami. Now, this is what we really do. From zero, pwedeng turuan. From those who are not fully independent, it's okay. Samahan nyo lang. We will train them also for all yan. All ages also. So we also have training for little kids from 2 to 7. We call that the Young Athletes Program. So this is sports training. So yung mga how to walk, how to obey the coach, mga ganyan. So we also have that. And at the age of 8, they're allowed to compete already. So they go to the different specific sports na.
Ayun, maganda naman pala yung programa no? Anyway, yun. So, once again, all you got to do is, yun nga, naibigay na sa inyo on how to get in touch with them. And, Dwight, meron ka pang gusto sabihin? Wala na, okay na. Ikaw naman, Robin, okay ka na?
Okay. Thank you, salamat po, fans mo si Chris Bernal.
Alright, okay.
Chris Bernal.
Ayan. Wala ba tayong showbiz Olympics?
Oh, yung mga showbiz din.
Oh,
Pakisuporta kami.
Yan, di ba? Oo, di ba? Ayan, so all sectors of society who are willing and able to help this group, itong Special Olympics Philippines, they could truly use your help, ha? At ito, one thing is for sure, sabi nga natin, they deliver. Ayan. Kumbaga, they're bringing home the bacon. Hindi po sila zero. Hindi sila nasi-zero. Anyway, thank you very much. Kay Samson, Chief Executive Officer of Special Olympics Philippines.
Thank you po. Maraming
Ayan.
salamat sa mga nakinig.
Ayan, Robin and Dwight.
Salamat po. See you lahat. I love you so much. Thank you.
Showbiz na showbiz talaga to.
I
ano?
love you. Hate you.
Robin Padilla ata ito no? Si Robin. Anyway, so 2 minuto bago mag alas 2 ng hapon. Basically, patapos na tayo. Just to cap this and to conclude our program for today, yung schedule lang ng ating sa ating sports calendar. Ang game mamaya, yes, may PBA mamaya sa Inares Center sa Antipolo. Ang 5:45 p.m. Medyo late sila mag-i-start pero first game pa lang yon. Rain or Shine versus Global Port Batampier. And then the second game, 8 o'clock na magsisimula yan, San Mig Coffee Mixers versus the Talk and Text Tropan Texters. And tomorrow, tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang PBA, October 20 sa Mall of Asia Arena. Air 21 Express in the first game laban sa Meralco Bolts. Sana wala nang mawala. At ang Petron Blaze Boosters versus Barangay Ginebra San Miguel. That's going to be tomorrow. Later, ang NCAA Championship dyan po sa Smart Araneta Coliseum. Sa MOA Arena, ang laban ni AJ Bazooka Banal laban sa Thai Fighter for Pinoy Pride. And bukas, sa Active, alas 12 ng tanghali, ang big time bakbakan, Eric Morales versus Danny Garcia. At ang inyong lingkod na magko-cover niyan. Anyway, thank you very much for listening. Have a nice weekend.